Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as banks and hedge funds, trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. I want you guys to see how AI pops up with an over 1,200% increase in institutional bullish volume. No surprises, the stock jumps more than 15% as a result. What our AI is detecting is that typically in private exchanges from large market makers, only about $68 million of the stock is traded on a 7-day previous average. Today alone, over $840 million. It's nearly an $800 million increase in a fraction of the time. No wonder the stock is making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early, which is why we choose to follow smart money, and which is why we use AI and algorithms to curate in real time, so that way at 9:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you could see 5.68 times the average amount of bullish volume than what is normally seen there. If you had done options on AI, up in the triple and even quadruple digit return space. Let's say, for example, you had done the $24.50 option. We're going to take a look at the 3-minute chart. We know our AI picked it up at 9:37. Which is right here. The 936 candle options are about 20 cents at its maximum. That's a 473% return. And we have people coming in and sharing awesome success stories with us, just saying, hey, right from the front of the main dashboard, in and out of AI options for over 100% of a return. Now, we also go as far as to send alerts to our users as well. Here's a perfect example. SoFi popped up on our system with a huge signal of unusual bullish volume at the beginning of the morning. So we send out an alert. Pops up on the main dashboard. Our analysts go through and send out a more curated message. Hey guys, we're doing SoFi $4.50 call options at 16 cents. That was at 10:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go ahead and take a look at the options chain. Go to SoFi, and we're going to go to the $4.50 call. We know that we got in around that 10:11 mark when options were around 16 cents at its maximum. That's a 145% return. We give the exit alert as well. We exited just shy of 100%. It was about 97, 98% when we did that exit. And we had people coming in and sharing their success stories. Hey, thanks for that alert. Just made a quick 50% on SoFi calls. And there are many, many others. We have a couple more to share with you guys before we wrap up here. I want you guys to see the Peloton alert that we sent out to our users. This was at the beginning of the day here. Peloton pops up on our main dashboard with a huge signal and increased bullish pressure on the green side of the board. We send an alert. Peloton to the upside, the $7 call options, 25 cents. So let's go ahead and take a look at Peloton. Let's see where smart money led us in those transactions. Go to PTON. And let's go to the $7 call. We already know our entry point was at 25 cents. We exited at 55 cents, jumping out of everything but runners, so that's an over 100% return. We're going to come mark it on the chart, 25 cents. We exit over here at 55 cents for a 120% return. It reaches a maximum of about 150%. And people come in and share their success stories just from a direct entry and a direct exit following smart money transactions, letting AI do most of the heavy lifting for us. We have a gentleman who says, hey, Peloton from $1,000 on my trade to $3,100 plus done for today. And let's go through one or two more trading alerts that we had sent out. Some of these were on the indices today, on both the SPY and the IWM. So what our AI goes through and picks up again is large, unusual transactions from institutions and private exchanges. Like, for example, these types of trades right here, $1.3 billion orders, $100 million orders. These are commonly done on alternative trading systems, which are not accessible to retail traders. Look at these $100 million orders moving through the market. So our AI goes through and detects those. It identifies the ones with the most unusual signals in the trending up and down side of the equation. And that's how you get alerts like this. The SPY popped up with a huge bullish signal. 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you get a more curated alert. So you could have traded it on your own, just as some people were doing with AI from the main dashboard on the example earlier. Some people use the alert. SPY 413 calls at 14 cents. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll go to the SPY, following smart money transactions and private exchanges. Let's go to the 413 call. We're going to take a look all the way down here. Options were at 14 cents. At its maximum, it's a 460% return, which we were letting people know, hey guys, out of our runners, 65 cents, and then SPY is up to a 400% gain. People were sharing their success stories with us, saying things like, hey, I'm up 226%, or ended up making a quick 100% return on my SPY calls. This person over here ended up squeezing over 400%. They posted a picture of their brokerage and the success story that they had there. You could see May the 15th, 23, 413 call options. And we'll go ahead and wrap it up here. I wish we had time for everything, but we do not. So let's take a look at this IWM trade. All of these were from today. IWM 175 put, 11 cents. Again, we get an institutional signal, lots of bearish pressure and bearish volume on the red side of the equation. So we send out the alert at 1:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go take a look at the IWM 175 put. Let's go to the chart. And all the way down here, from 11 cents, catching it right at the low to its maximum, it's a 344% return. We squeezed 360% out at a nice exit. All out here, 360%. People sharing their success stories again, 125% for this gentleman. Someone over here saying, hey, thank you so much to TradeAlgo. Ended up, playing it safe. Made $4,800 in about 15 minutes, zero complaints. Other people sharing success stories, screenshots of their brokerage account, over 118% for this user as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. People paying off the cost of their membership in just one afternoon. Sometimes it's not always about the amount of money you make, it's about the progress. Congratulations to this user who was having a little bit of difficulty at the beginning, but has now won their last 10 consecutive plays, and their confidence level grows every day. That is massive, and we can help you achieve those same results. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.